Today we're going to be cleaning the throttle body on the Volvo 1.6 diesel engine. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the engine cover. And what we're going to do, now we can see the throttle body there, we're just going to undo that clip there. And then there are, I believe, 4 bolts to remove. And we'll take a 7mm socket and remove this hose here. Get that nice and loose. And we'll wiggle this hose off, like so. Just put it to one side for the moment and remove the 4 bolts using an 8mm socket. They're actually quite long, these bolts. And not forgetting the one right at the back, we can just about get it with an extension on the ratchet. That's also quite a long bolt, but same dimensions as the other 2 we've removed. And the final bolt that rests under here. And we can see the throttle body, which doesn't look too bad, but we're going to give it a clean since we're here anyway. As it's open, I'm just going to go straight in with a paper towel and give it just clean any thick off first before we use the spray. And because I've removed it, I can do it both ways. It's a thin bit of dirt there, but we'll go further. We can disconnect the throttle body just by lifting that tab up there, and then we can take it where we like to clean it. So I have got some, you can buy specific throttle body cleaner, but I'm using the carb cleaner because I've already got it. I'll give it a liberal dose. I do have an old toothbrush which I use for this job, so we'll give that a spray with some cleaner and work it in. Trying to get near the edges. As the dirt that is right in the edge there, that's where I want to clean, where that flap goes in the corner. Now don't move this flap, don't force it, it's controlled by the stepper motor. I'll try to give it a really thorough clean. The toothbrush helped for the edges getting in there, and it looks nice and shiny, so I'm quite pleased with that. There's no remnants of tissue or anything in there, it's all lovely and clean, so we can rebuild it. Before you rebuild, do check that you've got a gasket there. I'm going to take this gasket out and flip it, just in case. I could renew it at this moment, but I haven't got a new one, so flipping it's a good option. So I want to give it a good clean before I put it back in, and hopefully flip it so the other side's doing the work, just in case there was a sealing issue somewhere. If you have a seal pick, that will really help with removing the gasket. So when refitting, there are a couple of locating pegs to observe. There's one there and one down there. They go in that hole and that hole. That's going to be the easiest bolt to start with, and that's progressively harder because there's not much room in there to get your fingers in to twist it. I've nipped all the bolts up and refitted the hose, and what I like to do is I like to hold the ratchet like that. And I always use a ratchet not too large, and I just like to go hand tight, a little bit tighter than you get it with a screwdriver, because we want all this to be airtight, including those 4 bolts. So any leaking of air will seriously cause trouble with the running of the vehicle. So now we've cleaned the throttle body, I'm going to do a reset procedure, and I'm going to very carefully disconnect this positive battery terminal, taking care not to short this tool to the vehicle body, as we'll directly short the battery out. So I'll remove the terminal and I'll come back to the car in about half an hour. So I've reconnected the battery and we've got the ignition on, and we'll start it up. And what I'm going to do is just not press the accelerator and let it idle for 15 minutes. Turn all accessories off. Well, it's had the full 15 minutes now, and I've been watching the needle and it's really stable now, I'm pleased to say. So we'll just try some revs. And that feels good and responsive. There's only one more thing left to do, and that's drive it. Many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to learn of more low cost repair and servicing solutions.